How a confused attorney killed 4 people. What drives an accomplished attorney to commit a heinous act that shatters lives and leaves a community in shock? How can the pursuit of justice intertwine with the depths of darkness lurking within the human mind? So this is the story about the rise and fall of Beatrice Bigeaud, a name once synonymous with success, now forever associated with tragedy. Are you ready to be captivated as we unravel the twisted web of a confused attorney's descent into chaos, exploring the haunting intersection of legal brilliance and the terrifying depths of mental turmoil? Well, let's begin. Beatrice Bigeaud's journey in the legal profession began with promise and ambition. As a young attorney, she displayed exceptional talent and dedication, quickly making a name for herself. In her early legal career, it was marked by numerous achievements and notable milestones. Having honed her skills as an associate attorney in a personal injury law office, Beatrice demonstrated a deep understanding of the intricacies of the legal system. Her proficiency in handling personal injury cases, immigration law, family law, and criminal defense became evident to those she worked with and represented. Fueled by a desire to create her own legacy, Beatrice took a courageous step forward and established the Bigeaud Law Firm. As the managing partner and head of the litigation, she fearlessly faced off against formidable opponents, including Fortune 500 companies. Through her strategic approach and unwavering determination, Beatrice emerged victorious in significant court cases, securing substantial compensation for her clients. Beatrice's rise to prominence in the legal community was marked by her professionalism, expertise, and unwavering commitment to justice. She gained respect and admiration from her peers who recognized her as a force to be reckoned with in the legal field. Her success was not limited to financial achievements. Beatrice also gained recognition for her dedication to her clients' causes and her ability to navigate complex legal issues. However, behind her professional achievements, Beatrice faced an ongoing struggle with her mental health. Diagnosed with schizophrenia and bipolar disorder in 2019, she encountered numerous challenges in managing her conditions. These mental health disorders presented a significant hurdle for Beatrice, impacting both her personal and professional life. Managing a successful law firm while grappling with mental health issues proved to be an arduous task for Beatrice. The weight of her conditions took a toll on her overall well-being, affecting her relationships, decision-making abilities, and overall stability. Those closest to her observed the gradual decline in her mental state and became increasingly concerned for her welfare. Beatrice's mental health struggles became intertwined with her professional endeavors, adding an additional layer of complexity to her life. The demands of her legal practice, coupled with the challenges of managing her conditions, put her under immense pressure. Balancing the responsibilities of being a managing partner, attending to her clients' needs, and maintaining her own well-being proved to be an overwhelming feat. The impact of Beatrice's mental health struggles extended beneath and beyond her personal life. It also had implications for her professional reputation. While she remained highly skilled and knowledgeable in her field, the presence of her mental health conditions raised questions and concerns among colleagues and clients. The unpredictability and stigma associated with mental illness often cast a shadow on her capabilities as an attorney. Little did anyone know that Beatrice's mental health struggles would eventually intersect with her legal career in a tragic and bewildering way. The incident that unfolded would forever alter the trajectory of her life, leaving a profound impact on all those involved and raising fundamental questions about the relationship between mental health and the pursuit of justice. The incident that shook the community and forever changed the course of Beatrice Bigeaud's life involved a horrifying act of violence. On that fateful day, Beatrice drove her car into a crowd of people outside a local grocery store, inflicting devastating harm and leaving a lasting impact on all those involved. Eyewitnesses who were present at the scene provided chilling testimonies of the incident. They recounted the harrowing moments when Beatrice's vehicle plowed into the unsuspecting crowd. Panic and chaos ensued as people scrambled to escape the path of the oncoming car. The sheer force of the impact caused injuries to multiple individuals, some of whom were severely wounded. In the immediate aftermath of the incident, the scene was one of shock and confusion. Bystanders and victims grappled with the gravity of what had just transpired. The sounds of sirens filled the air as emergency services rushed to the scene to attend to the injured and restore order. The traumatic event left an indelible mark on the lives of those who witnessed it and experienced its devastating consequences. During the subsequent investigation and questioning, Beatrice made a chilling admission. She acknowledged hearing voices in her head that commanded her to harm others. This shocking revelation provided a glimpse into the torment she had been enduring. Beatrice's mental state, coupled with her stated intentions to harm, added a deeply disturbing layer to the tragedy. The revelation of Beatrice's admission left both law enforcement officials and witnesses in a state of disbelief and bewilderment. The magnitude of the incident and the motivations behind it remained unfathomable to those grappling with the aftermath. The shock and confusion among witnesses and victims were palpable as they struggled to comprehend how an individual they once knew could commit such a horrific act. Law enforcement personnel faced the daunting task of piecing together the details of the incident while grappling with the complexities of Beatrice's mental health. The investigation aimed to establish a comprehensive understanding of the events leading up to the tragedy, including the role her mental health conditions played. As the shockwaves of the incident reverberated throughout the community, questions arose about the adequacy of mental health support systems and the need for greater awareness and resources to address such issues. The tragedy underscored the importance of recognizing the signs of mental distress and providing timely interventions to prevent further harm. Following the tragic incident involving Beatrice Bigeaud, the legal system was tasked with navigating the complexities of the case, including Beatrice's mental health and its role in the incident. The ensuing legal proceedings sought to reconcile justice with an understanding of her mental state, raising important questions about the treatment of individuals with mental health disorders within the criminal justice system. Beatrice's arrest brought forth a series of charges reflecting the severity of the incident. The charges included the deliberate act of driving her car into a crowd of people, causing harm and injury. The gravity of the situation necessitated a thorough investigation and a fair trial, ensuring that all aspects of the case were considered. Central to the legal proceedings were the arguments surrounding Beatrice's mental health and its influence on her actions. The defense team presented evidence of her schizophrenia and bipolar disorder diagnosis, highlighting the impact these conditions may have had on her behavior at the time of the incident. This raised important questions about the extent to which her mental health should be considered a mitigating factor in determining her culpability. The debate surrounding punishment versus treatment in cases involving individuals with mental health disorders came to the forefront. Advocates argued that punitive measures alone would fail to address the underlying mental health issues and could exacerbate the cycle of harm. Instead, they advocated for a holistic approach that prioritized comprehensive mental health evaluation and treatment alongside any legal consequences. The court faced the challenging task of weighing the evidence presented, including Beatrice's mental health history and the circumstances surrounding the incident. Ultimately, the court rendered a decision of not guilty by reason of insanity. This verdict acknowledged that Beatrice's mental state at the time of the incident affected her ability to understand the nature and consequences of her actions. The court's decision highlighted the importance of recognizing the role of mental health in criminal cases. It served as a reminder that individuals struggling with mental health disorders may require specialized treatment and support rather than traditional punitive measures. By acknowledging the impact of Beatrice's mental health on her behavior, the court sought to strike a delicate balance between accountability and compassion. The case of Beatrice Bigeaud shed light on the challenges faced by the legal system when addressing mental health within the context of criminal proceedings. It underscored the need for increased awareness, education, and resources to effectively address the complex intersection of mental health and the law. The case also sparked discussions about the need for improved mental health support systems and interventions to prevent such incidents from occurring in the first place. As the legal proceedings unfolded, the focus shifted from punishment to a comprehensive evaluation of Beatrice's mental health needs. The court's decision opened the door for Beatrice to receive the necessary treatment and support required to address her mental health conditions. It emphasized the importance of prioritizing rehabilitation and ensuring access to appropriate mental health resources for individuals involved in similar cases. As we come to the end of this gripping account, we are reminded of the fragility of the human psyche and the profound impact it can have on our lives. The story of Beatrice Bigeaud serves as a powerful reminder to prioritize mental health and support those in need. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.